It's starting to rain outside and you're starting to notice water coming up through cracks in your slab, and you're really starting to be concerned that your house is failing and falling apart. The biggest question you're asking yourself right now is my foundation failing? Is my foundation broke now that I have water coming up through my slab? What the heck is this? What does it mean? I'm Austin with Acre Foundation Fair, and this is not an uncommon problem that we get during the rainy season here in Central Texas. It happens a lot. It's probably one of our most frequent calls that we get, especially after really strong, heavy rain. I mean, just a few weeks ago, we had a day where we got almost 2 inches of rain in one day. So lots of rain can cause this sort of issue to happen. To answer your question, no, this is not a sign your foundation is failing. It's just a sign of a couple different things that could be happening with your house. Number one, most likely a drainage problem where you have bad drainage around your home. Not that the foundation's failed or broken, it just means, hey, you probably got an area where water's finding a way to get underneath the slab and then just bubble up through those small cracks that are there in your slab. So it's not broken, it's not failing, you just have some bad drainage around your house. Could also be we have a lot of older homes here in the area. After many years, the home's vapor barrier that was originally installed, after about 30-ish years roughly, that starts to deteriorate and is no longer working. So it's not a common problem with newer homes, mainly homes that are a lot older that we see this happen on. Not to say that you don't have a foundation problem. You definitely still could have foundation problems ongoing with your house and still experience this water coming up through your slab. So could have both at the same time, but if this is the only thing that you're seeing, then I wouldn't be too concerned about a foundation problem. The next best thing that you can do from here is actually going to be walking around your house and looking for some spots that might be easy notices of bad drainage, especially after a good strong rain. Maybe you have a spot of ponded up water next to your slab, or an area that's just really spongy and just super soggy. All these areas are going to be signs of poor drainage around your house, and that could be something that you might want to address. If your house doesn't have gutters, gutters are always a really easy fix that can help with some bad drainage. Get some gutters, some downspout extensions. We talk about this a lot on our website, but those are a lot of areas that can be really easily remedied and easy next things that you can do. To help with a couple DIY solutions, we're actually going to put a link down in the description that'll take you to an article on our website that will give a couple easy things that you can do essentially right now with stuff you have in your garage to help out with the drainage around your home.